Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Cheesy sausage is one of those simple foods that has remained popular for generations because it combines two ingredients that people naturally enjoy: flavorful sausage and melted cheese. Whether served as a snack, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or party food, cheesy sausage offers a satisfying combination of savory, creamy, and smoky flavors that appeal to people of all ages. Around the world, different cultures have created their own versions of cheesy sausage dishes, using local cheeses, spices, and cooking methods to transform a basic recipe into something unique and memorable. What makes cheesy sausage especially appealing is its versatility. It can be grilled, baked, fried, wrapped in dough, added to casseroles, or served with vegetables and sauces. No matter how it is prepared, the rich combination of cheese and sausage creates a comforting meal that many people associate with family gatherings, celebrations, and enjoyable moments around the table. The history of sausage dates back thousands of years. Ancient civilizations developed sausage as a way to preserve meat and make use of available ingredients. Different regions created their own recipes, incorporating local spices and traditions. Cheese, on the other hand, has been a staple food in many societies for centuries because it provides nutrition and can be stored for long periods. Eventually, cooks discovered that combining cheese with sausage created a delicious pairing. The salty and savory taste of sausage balanced perfectly with the creamy texture and richness of melted cheese. Over time, this combination became popular in homes, restaurants, food stalls, and celebrations. Today, cheesy sausage appears in countless forms, from simple homemade snacks to gourmet dishes served in upscale dining establishments. One reason cheesy sausage remains so popular is the variety of sausages available. Different sausages offer distinct flavors and textures. Some are smoky, while others are spicy, mild, sweet, or herb-infused. Pork sausage is commonly used because of its rich flavor, but beef, chicken, turkey, and plant-based sausages are also popular choices. Each type interacts differently with cheese, creating unique taste experiences. A spicy sausage paired with a mild cheese can create balance, while a smoky sausage combined with a sharp cheese can deliver a bold and unforgettable flavor. The endless possibilities allow cooks to experiment and create combinations that suit their personal preferences. Cheese also plays an important role in the success of cheesy sausage dishes. There are countless types of cheese, each contributing its own texture and flavor. Some cheeses melt smoothly and create a creamy consistency, while others provide a stronger taste and a slightly firmer texture. Mild cheeses are often chosen because they blend well with sausage flavors, but stronger cheeses can add complexity and depth. The way cheese melts and stretches when heated contributes significantly to the enjoyment of cheesy sausage. The visual appeal of melted cheese combined with the aroma of cooked sausage creates an experience that stimulates multiple senses before the first bite is even taken. Many people enjoy cheesy sausage as a breakfast food because it provides energy and satisfaction at the start of the day. Sausage and cheese are often served together in breakfast sandwiches, wraps, and baked dishes. The protein content helps create a feeling of fullness, making it easier to stay energized throughout the morning. Families frequently prepare cheesy sausage breakfasts during weekends or special occasions when there is more time to enjoy a hearty meal together. These meals often become cherished traditions that create lasting memories and strengthen family bonds. Cheesy sausage is also a favorite choice for snacks and appetizers. At parties and gatherings, bite-sized cheesy sausage treats are often among the first foods to disappear. Their convenient size and flavorful taste make them easy to enjoy while socializing. Whether wrapped in pastry, served on skewers, or presented as small baked bites, cheesy sausage appetizers appeal to both children and adults. Their popularity demonstrates how simple ingredients can create food that brings people together and encourages shared enjoyment. In many households, cheesy sausage serves as a quick and practical meal solution. Busy schedules often leave little time for elaborate cooking, and cheesy sausage dishes can usually be prepared with minimal effort. Simple recipes may require only a few ingredients while still delivering satisfying results. This convenience makes cheesy sausage a reliable option for families seeking flavorful meals without spending hours in the kitchen. The ease of preparation also makes it accessible to beginner cooks who want to create delicious food without complex techniques. That is just the beginning of the story behind cheesy sausage, its flavors, and why it remains a popular comfort food in many households. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.